Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add Hydra bot to Discord. So first of all, let's find their official website for the Hydra bot. Here it is. Then at the main page, tap at the invite button. Sign into your Discord account if you haven't previously. In here, select the server that you would like to invite the Hydra bot to. Authorize all the permissions that it asks for. Complete CAPTCHA. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.